Welcome back. Today we're diving into how just 30 squats a day can transform your body. Squats are a powerhouse move, no equipment, no gym, just results. We'll break down the benefits, strength, confidence, and more. By the end, you'll be ready to join the 30-day squat challenge. Let's jump in and start your journey to a stronger you. First up, lower body strength. This is the foundation of almost every movement you make, whether you're walking, running, or simply standing up from a chair. Building strength in your legs isn't just about looking good, it's about moving better, feeling more stable, and preventing injuries as you go about your day. Squats are the king of leg exercises. They're a classic for a reason, used by athletes and fitness enthusiasts everywhere to build serious lower body power. Whether you're using just your body weight or adding resistance, squats challenge your muscles in a way few other exercises can. When you squat, you're not just working one muscle, you're engaging your quads, hamstrings, and glutes all at once, creating a powerful synergy that helps you move with more strength and confidence. Doing 30 squats a day means you're constantly challenging these major muscles, pushing them to adapt and grow stronger. It's a simple habit, but the results can be transformative if you stick with it. Over time, you'll notice firmer legs, a stronger base, and more power in daily life. Your legs will start to look more defined, and you'll feel the difference every time you move. The best part? It's not about spending hours in the gym, it's about consistency, showing up for yourself day after day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Tracking your progress can help keep you motivated and remind you how far you've come. Imagine climbing stairs without getting winded, or carrying heavy grocery bags with ease. These everyday tasks become simpler as your lower body gets stronger. That's the real benefit. Functional strength that translates into your daily life, making you more capable and confident in everything you do. As you squat, focus on good form. Keep your chest up, push your hips back, and feel those muscles working with every rep. Quality matters more than quantity. Every rep is a step toward a stronger foundation. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Squats aren't just for legs. They're a secret weapon for your core. Keeping your torso upright during squats fires up your abs and lower back. It's like a moving plank, building deep core strength and stability. This translates to better posture and injury prevention. Brace your core each rep for maximum benefit. Stronger core, better balance. Squats deliver both. Squats are not just about building strength, they're also a powerful way to boost your flexibility, especially in your hips. When you perform a squat, your body moves through a wide range of motion, encouraging your joints and muscles to stretch and adapt. This movement targets your hips and ankles, which are often tight from hours of sitting at a desk or driving. Each squat acts as a dynamic stretch, gently opening up those tight muscles and connective tissues that can limit your mobility. As you practice squats regularly, you'll notice that you can squat deeper and with more control. This progression isn't just about strength, it's a sign that your flexibility is improving, allowing you to move more freely and comfortably. Improved mobility means less stiffness and easier movement in your daily life, whether you're getting up from a chair, reaching for something on a high shelf, or simply walking up the stairs. Flexible joints and muscles help prevent injuries and make everyday activities feel effortless. Remember, you don't need to force yourself into a deep squat right away. Focus on maintaining good form and gradually increasing your depth as your flexibility improves. A personal trainer or a mirror can help you check your technique and make steady progress. With each session, you'll see your range of motion improve. Tracking your progress can be motivating. Notice how your squat depth increases and your movements become smoother over time. By adding squats to your routine, you're not just getting stronger, you're unlocking better movement, greater flexibility, and a more active, pain-free lifestyle. Looking to burn calories and shed unwanted fat? Squats are one of the most effective exercises you can add to your routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, squats are your friend when it comes to weight loss and overall fitness. They're simple, require no equipment, and can be done almost anywhere, at the gym, at home, or even in your office during a quick break. Squats activate some of the largest muscle groups in your body, including your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. This means your body has to work extra hard, using more energy and burning more calories with every rep. The more muscle you engage, the higher your calorie burn. both during and after your workout. As you build muscle through squats, your metabolism gets a natural boost. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, so the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn even when you're not exercising. This is why strength training is so important for sustainable weight loss. Doing 30 squats a day might seem simple, but it's a powerful habit that can kickstart your fitness journey. While it won't replace a full workout program, it's a great way to stay active, build consistency, and see gradual improvements in strength and endurance. For the best results, pair your daily squats with a balanced, nutritious diet. Eating plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will fuel your workouts and help your body recover and grow stronger. Remember, exercise and nutrition go hand in hand for real, lasting results. With dedication and the right habits, you're not just losing weight, you're transforming your body into a leaner, stronger, and more confident version of yourself. That's the kind of progress that lasts and truly makes a difference in your health and well-being. Struggling with slouching, squats can help fix your posture. They strengthen your core and upper back, teaching your body to stand tall. Practicing good squat form, chest up, shoulders back, reverses tech neck, and slumping. Strong glutes and abs pull your pelvis into alignment, easing back pain. Over time, you'll sit and stand taller without thinking. Better posture means more confidence and less discomfort, all from a simple daily squat routine. Squats train you for real life, getting up, lifting, moving safely. Strong legs and core make daily tasks easier and protect you from injury. Proper squat form teaches your body safe movement patterns. You're building stability around your knees and spine. Think of squats as insurance against future aches and pains. This challenge isn't just about looks, it's about moving better every day. That's the power of functional fitness. What can you expect after 30 days? Visible muscle tone, firmer legs, and a perkier booty. You'll feel stronger, move better, and notice improved endurance. Your posture will improve, and your clothes may fit differently. Most importantly, you'll gain confidence from sticking to your goal. Small changes add up to a big transformation. The real win, knowing you're capable and committed. That's the confidence boost that lasts. Ready to start? Join the 30-day squat challenge today. Focus on consistency and good form, quality over quantity. Share your progress in the comments and inspire others. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more fitness tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.